Hey there. When you are planning to create a professional business website using WordPress, you need a perfect WordPress theme. And when you are looking for a perfect WordPress theme, you can find all best WordPress theme here on this channel, overviewed and with complete insights. Yes, there are thousands of themes that can be availed at themeforest.net, but at WP Themes channel that you're watching, you can easily choose and compare themes, plugins, and WordPress resources to create your dream website. In this video, we have a very specific business website WordPress theme, which is for logistic business, and you can create a full featured advanced website using the theme that we are going to overview in this video, and the theme is Morz, and it is a dedicated theme for logistic and courier services, we can say. It has been developed by Vantem, and if you are already a developer, you are well known about this brand name. So we are following all the themes from Vantem, and of course they are Power It author at Invato Market, that is on themeforest.net. This is another great theme from this house, and it is a dedicated theme for logistic business, transportation or logistic. So I have already installed this theme, and my demo website is ready with the theme, and I can start putting my content here, and after that I can easily launch my website. So my objective is to give you complete insight about the theme so that you may take your wise decision about buying this theme. So not only this theme, you have at least 10, 15 WordPress theme in this particular business category on this channel. You can compare, decide, and choose the best one that is very close to your requirement. And if you have any question, you can directly join a mentor here on the live chat, where you can get all answers related to WordPress website. Yes, we are trying our level best to answer all your queries. It is going to be absolutely free. Join the I Create program and start creating a wonderful, full functional, advanced featured website for your business. So let us take a deep dive in this theme. What are the features? How easily it can be installed and all. So the merge is the theme that we are going to discuss in this video. Okay, to start with, let us take a quick look of this demo website, and it has been created using the Morge Transport Cargo Logistics Services dedicated WordPress theme. It has all the elements that you may need for your logistic business website, like USPs, our services, the details, and all the information like news, and I like this sticky bar and all. So internal pages has also been included in the theme, and the speed is always good with the Vampam theme. So you can see it is opening in just a flick in a second. So speed is the key for success in this digital era, and that you can avail with this theme cargo for cargo website. So March is the theme name. And I'm going to include all the link in the video description through which you can buy the theme, you can get the hosting, you can get all the supports, and also just follow the video description link. But before spending this $89 on this theme, you need to watch this complete video. So in this $89, you are going to get the quality check by Unvato, the theme pack itself, and the future updates for this theme. Panthem is not directly supporting for this theme, but yes, we are here, don't worry. So we are going to help you all around for completing your website. Okay, wonderful. So now I'll show you the backend of this installation, since I have already installed the theme. And first of all, I'll show you the inner pages, how many pages I have received after installation. 55 published pages. So you can see all the pages like accounts, air freight, so service page, the automotive services, career page, the case study, checkout, and it is also a WooCommerce supported theme. So you can also go for e-commerce activities with the theme and with the website. that is using the Morz WordPress theme. So there are two homes. So first home and the home modern. This is another home. You can use this one, and both home pages can be used, like home modern and home classic. So this is another home page that you can target with this thing. This is the modern. So this is also very good. So it has an advanced feature to get a code feature. Like this is the form through which the visitor on the website can ask for a code by giving the specific details, and you'll definitely get the request in form of a business lead, right? So the pages are here, and you can use these pages directly at your website. You just need to update your content. And now if we talk about the media, what is included in the demo, I have 111 media items what was included. So, and if we talk about the posts, so the 18 posts just for reference. And what plugins, which plugins this theme is using. So if we can take a very quick look, these are the list of plugins that is being used for the website. You might be thinking, I'm not showing the installation steps and how I installed these themes. Don't worry, it is going to be super easy. And let us take this screen first. So Beaver Builder has the plugin. So this is the light version being used, that is free version. So this is the builder, page builder. Booked is the appointment booking feature. Classic widgets are here. Jetpack as usual. Max mega menu for mega menu. Ninja forms for creating forms. So you can simply update this ninja forms if it is pending. Safe SVG for SVG image supports, and Pedal Revolution for hero image area. Phantom Elements is add-on for features. Vamtem importers for importing the demo content that I have already used. Vamtem offline jetpack, and this is WooCommerce, and this plugin is not for you. I am using this. Okay, great. So all good plugins are here, and it is already installed. And when we are talking about the installation steps, so it is going to be super simple. You just need to download the theme, and that you'll get here after purchasing. So in the theme pack, you'll get the documentation and all. Uh, Simply follow the video description link, and you'll get all the supports for installation of your theme. So I'm not covering the installation steps. It is being so simple that I should not repeat again. So it is simply installed. Just upload the theme. In the theme area, I'll show you. In the appearance section, you just need to upload the theme, like I have uploaded the theme, and I'm using the latest version 36 as on date. This is being the latest version. It is always important to use the correct and updated version. So upload the theme, activate the theme, and you'll get a screen prompt to install plugins. So you come here after activating the license. So first step is to activate the license. Second step is to install plugins. So all green marks is clearly showing all is complete for mine. And you can also simply follow the video links and the so it is actually the on screen instructions to install all the required plugins. So recommended is here because I have already installed the required plugins. So I can go for recommended as well, but required plugins is already installed. Import demo is the next step, and help and support and the premium services to connect with the WAMDEM theme for you. So you can also get help and support here, since it is not directly available here and through the theme forest. It is somehow available in the backend. Okay, so I'm not sure how it is working, but yes, it will be fine to get all the support. So since we are here to help you at the live chat for creating and completing your website, so you have nothing to worry. And even for WAMTEM themes, it is not like a worry. It is a smooth theme. Always take any theme, you'll definitely get a very smooth theme. Okay, so now what is special here? WAMTEM Builder is also here. Like you can use the templates, the save rows. So that if you are targeting to edit the specific content like animation builder, the downloads option, the presentation page, modern and all, so it is here, and you can edit the elements that is being used on the pages of the website. And next I can show you the revolution slider. It is for hero image area, and what slider had been used, you can simply find here and edit the content. So why I am showing these all screen? Because you never know before purchasing the theme what you can do in the background. So it is important to understand the insights, how you can proceed for customization and what are the options. Like further we had appointments option. It is also very important if we are talking about the cargo business. So the complete appointment feature is here. You can simply configure the appointment feature. You can check all the appointments. So this is a complete feature, like calendar spending, the settings for appointment. You can go for all these. Okay, so mega menu is of course for creating mega menu. So it is already included, and you can choose the menu themes just in case if you want to change. And for editing the content, you can simply go for the options like if you are targeting to edit the portfolio items, you can go for portfolio and edit all the contents and delete all those that you are not going to use at your live website. Now, finally, if we are willing to change the content, so it is again very simple with the uh, WAM time builder. So you can simply open the page and click on edit the page. So it will be again very simple. It is not like Elementor or the visual editor. It is inbuilt feature. So you can launch the WAM time builder and you can start editing the content, and it is more than simple if we talk about the ease of access or customization easiness. So you simply just need to uh, expand all, like this is the option. You can go to the respective column, and whenever you'll click on the column or photo, the drag option will take you to the content area where you want to edit, or simply hover on the area that you want to edit and you'll get all the editing options like row, column, and okay. So it is just like working on a word file, but with the advanced options. It's all simple, and I think you can do all these things at your own. And when you complete your editing, you can save and publish. You can simply hit on the publish icon and it will be published. So, do you think I should show you how to install the theme? If yes, write in the comment section. I'll cover the installation steps. Very simple in the next video, maybe. Or you can directly get in touch with us on the iGrade program. Write in the comment, write in the chat, wherever you wish, and we can get directly in touch with you to complete your logistics services website or any other website, of course. So we can get in touch. Let us meet in the next video, in which I am going to bring more useful resources for your WordPress website. Till then, goodbye, keep watching, and don't miss to compare other themes. Yes, you need a perfect theme for a successful website. Of course, there are many steps, but theme selection of theme is very integral and crucial part. Okay, see you then. Let us meet in the next video.